Hi Rick, this is my presentation submission for assignment 4 on the topic Azure Cognitive Services. So a little about myself. My name is Sarthak Acharya. I'm a student in Georgian College of course Big Data Analytics. I enrolled in this course to get a thorough knowledge about how data works and I have learned a lot up till now. The modules are pretty interesting and I have got a very insightful knowledge about everything now. And I have chosen this course because I knew that I wanted to pursue this data field and little bit about what I have chosen for the assignment. I have chosen currency notes for the assignment. So for four different countries, I thought that maybe it would be challenging because every country has different currency notes. So let's see if I can train them and train the AI and get some results out of it. So the project creation on custom vision, as you can see, I've mentioned the name currency for my project, and I've used my own resource, that currency resource that was an Azure free for students resource. So tags and images. So I have used four tags: the Indian currency, the China currency, the United States of US dollar, the Canadian dollar, and the under which all of these tags category fall, that is the currency notes. So this is how it was arranged. Then the performance training. After I trained it, I got these results. That was the 100% precision, 92.9% recall, and 99.5% AP. And these were the performances per tag for each of them. The test based on imported images, the images that I imported. So as you can see, this is Chinese dollar, Chinese yuan. So you can see that it has a 91% similarity to the Chinese. So yeah, I mean it was working really fine. With the Canadian, it was a little bit not so much accurate. It was 60%, but yeah, it was almost there. For Indian rupee as well, it is 81%, almost there, because of probably the colors. It is showing some similarities to other countries as well, countries' currencies. Now the US dollar, I guess so that US dollar is the most unique in all of these currency notes. That is why it has the most probability showing that yes, it is the best one, and it is showing a little bit similarity towards Indian rupee as well, because a 10 rupee note in India looks like that. So yeah, maybe that is why how it is showing. Now, how I put this custom vision AI through challenges, those challenges were: first I selected was another country's. So this is Japan's 1000 yen note. So as you can see, the currency notes shows that it is a 99%. I mean, it is recognizing it that yes, it is a currency note, but it is not so similar to other currency notes. So a little bit color would have given it Canadian 37%, US 14%, China 7%, and India 6.3%. Then this is the Vietnamese currency note. Again, it has shown that yes, it is a currency note, but it is showing some similarity to China, probably because of the face which is on this and the numbers and everything, the colors. Then this is the UK currency pound. So I see, as you can see, the currency again, it is showing the best one, and it is showing a little bit towards Canadian as well, because Canadian currency has a women on it on most of the current Canadian currency notes. So probably that is why it is showing a little bit of similarity towards it. So the best challenge that I could give it was comparing it to a coin, because that's also currency, but it's not a note. So that is why you can see the currency notes fall to 50%. So that is why it was a little bit of challenging for the AI. This is the Canadian 5 cent as well. So I'm surprised to see that it has a similarity to USA, but yeah, it has recognized that yeah, it is a currency note. Yeah, moving further. So yeah, this is a little bit about my presentation. Now I will demonstrate the live how I performed everything. So new project, currency, and we have to select multi-label, multiple tags per image, create project. So as soon as I created a project, I'm gonna add some tags: Indian currency, then Canadian, USA, and then China. And the bigger category would be currency notes. So I'll add all the images that I want to. So these are all the images of US dollar. I will tag it under currency notes and USA. Then I'll add more images. I'll tag this under Canadian currency and currency notes. I'll add more images for the Chinese yuan. I'll tag this under China and currency notes as well. Then I'll add more images. That's the last folder that I need to add. I'll tag this under Indian and currency notes. So I've uploaded all of these files now. Now, as suggested, we'll click on train, quick training. This will take some time, so yeah, I'll be back. Training is complete. As you can see, it is almost similar to what I showed you in the presentation. So the precision is 100%, the recall is 92, AP is 99.5%. The performance per tag is also accurate. And you can see this is 00 because these are lesser images and maybe it has a lesser precision as well. So let's put all this to a test now. I'll do the imported images first. So I'll browse some local files and I'll open this US dollar note. See, it is showing the most similarity towards the US dollar, and yeah, it's a currency note and everything. So it is showing the least towards. So probably this is a very unique note, a very unique currency. Let's go for some other one as well. Let's go for this Chinese. See, it is showing that yes, it's a currency node. It's probability that yes, it is a Chinese node. A little bit similarity towards Indian because some of them look the similar. And let's do one more with the Canadian currency node and pick a red one. Yeah, so you can see it is showing Canadian red, but it is showing a little bit similarity towards US. It is not so much towards Canadian, but it is a currency note. Now let's take some challenges and put different images. So let's take Japan's yen. Sorry. So see, it is showing that yes, it is a currency note, somewhat similar to Canadian because of numbers, colors, US and China and Indian. That is why it is showing somewhere similarity about those things. Let's take this note now. Again, see, it is showing that it's a currency note. Canadian, yeah, a little bit because of the color again, the numbers and everything, and a little bit similar to a Chinese, Indian, and US as well. Now let's put it to another level of challenge. Let's take some coins. Let's see what the results are now. So, see, this is a dollar coin. It is showing some similarity towards USA, probably because of the image, and US coin notes are grayish as well. It is showing that yes, it is a currency. So, yeah, I mean, we have put it to test. Let's take a Canadian coin as well. See, it is showing similarity towards China now. It is showing that yes, it is a currency note, but not so similar towards anything else. The last coin that I'll take is a Dubai coin, probably putting it to more test. See, it is showing a little bit similarity towards US because we know this color belongs to a US dollar. Again, Indian, yes, there is Indian coins as well. So yeah, this is how I challenged this particular AI. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.